Hello, welcome back to Color and Canvas. This will not be a tutorial. I'm just going to show you what I did when I was playing with paint. This was our last day before we were moving to our new house, before I packed up all the art stuff. And so I wanted to use up all the paints that were in the bottom of the bottles. And I had some blue and some yellow mostly and some gold. So here's what we're going to do. I had an idea to do a little swipe across using this little brush that comes with the hair color kit of all things. People pour and do art with the strangest things. So I'm just squeezing out all the paint that I have in the bottles. I'm trying to make a really, really kind of dark midnight blue background here. And then we'll just squeeze out some paints, brush them through. But, you know, spoiler alert, I'm going to tell you it didn't work out. And I ended up blowing it out with a hairdryer. So I'm just going to let you watch the rest of the process. I'm really happy with how this came out, even though it wasn't the plan. But that's why I call it inspiration, because the original little swipe, I was inspired, you know, by seeing Starry Night and the other Van Gogh paintings. And while it didn't work to try and duplicate something like that with, you know, fluid paints, it left something that inspired me to try something new with the hairdryer, and it turned out great. So anyways, please enjoy the rest of the creation video of inspiration.